In today's episode, I'll show you an easy lunch you can put together in no time. What I ate for lunch.
Lay home ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now we all have those days where we run around all day trying to complete tasks, and even still, we still feel like at the end of the day we got nothing accomplished. And then upon coming home, everything's a mess, there's dirty dishes all over the place, and you just don't have the energy to make food. Now before you go ahead and grab that TV dinner, I'm going to show you one of the recipes that I make when I'm super busy, but I'm still craving a delicious meal.
Roughly chop 4 cups of mixed greens.
Now I do enjoy having these kind of greens mixes around. Basically is a mix of organic baby spinach, baby kale, Swiss chard, and amongst some other leafy greens. Just makes life really convenient.
Quarter of a cucumber, diced. Quarter of a carrot, diced. One apple, diced. A few slices of red onion, diced. Half cup chickpeas.
If you have some oven roasted chickpeas that you've made ahead of time, that's even better. If not, all good.
1 tablespoon za'atar.
This is za'atar, and this particular one is a blend of different Lebanese spices. Has sesame seeds and oregano, just absolutely amazing. If you cannot find this, just sub it out with some dried oregano.
A couple generous pinches of pink salt. Pepper. Couple tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 4 tablespoons olive oil. Shake. Mix and plate your salad. Couple tablespoons of dressing.
That is delicious. Now, if you've had a really rough day,
Sift 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into the matcha bowl.
that just prevents the matcha from clumping up.
Quarter cup hot water. Whisk.
And you whisk in a W or M motion. Of course, M for matcha and W for will.
1 tablespoon maple syrup. Matcha. Mix.
And if you're having a bad day, this always cheers me up.
Top off with coconut or almond milk. You can now enjoy this quick and delicious lunch with absolute confidence.
So easy to put together, and that is absolutely delicious. That is fresh, it's bright, it's light, just crunchy, really delicious and refreshing. So easy to put together, and that beautiful light vinaigrette just really complements the sweetness of the amazing apple. The cucumbers just give it a really nice, fresh taste, a little bit of a texture from the incredible chickpeas. And it goes amazingly well. Well, anything goes really well with, of course, one of my favorites, the incredible Japanese matcha latte. So full-bodied, doesn't need much. That is absolutely incredible, amazing. Be sure to check out that link in the description box below. There is a free ebook that you can download that I put together just for you that has 5 incredibly easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.